Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to use shortcut and how to manage it. So basically, if there is one or two or three features which you basically use the most, you can use it in shortcut. So I believe you can see at the bottom there is a star button which is highlighted in yellow and green. If you press on there, you'll see there are three shortcuts: view diaries, notification, and diary entry. So if these three features is being used mostly by the school, then you can use it as a shortcut so that it is easier for you to post anything from here. So if I click on to diary entry, it directly click on redirect me to the page of the diary entry. So if you want to manage this, if you want to put any three details here, I believe you can see the three parallel lines which is on the right. You'll have to click there, and then you will have to scroll down, and you will have to click on to manage shortcut, which is highlighted in green sorry yellow star button. So you click on here, and then the three features which you want to see on the top of the page which you use frequently has to be checked marked here. So there are only three shortcuts that can be put in the home page. So I've put in create diary, mark sheet, and view diaries. So I submit it, and then when I go back to the page and then click on shortcuts, the same option comes up. So this is how you use the shortcut and manage the shortcut. Thank you.